Tonight's Law and You, we're talking about a rough day on the job for one of our local viewers. Joining us as always, it's always a smooth day on the job here for the Law and You with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli.
I tell you what, every day the ice cream truck shows up at our office. It's always, always a pleasure.
Well, the only danger here is maybe falling off the interview set, so we're okay. But let's talk about this scenario for one viewer here. Cindy in Scranton says, my sister was at work. She twisted her knee and tore her ACL and is now out of work. She reported it, but the employer hasn't paid her yet. It's been 3 weeks. Now, I know from hearing these questions, this tends to be very common where people don't get their bills paid right away.
Yeah, they don't pay. I mean, you know, we have a case going on right now where the employer was paying for a month and then just decided they're not going to pay anymore. It's against the law. Pennsylvania has a no-fault workers' compensation system. So if you are hurt at work, if you report it and you have a legitimate injury, they must pay you. There is no reason that your employer should not be paying you. But the problem is you're going to have to go to a lawyer. You're going to have to file a workers' compensation claim. You're going to have to file a petition in order to get those benefits, not even reinstated, get those benefits, put in place and get you paid.
Yeah, a lot of times employers don't understand if you're hurt during the course and scope of your employment. That's it. That's all it is. That's the standard in workers' compensation, and you're unable to work. So, you did the right thing. You reported it. If a doctor links the ACL tear to your work event, then obviously there's a causal relationship between the tear and the fall and your work. That's how you win the case. So, Ed's right. You have to pick up the phone. You have to call a lawyer. You got to get involved, and you have to be proactive in these cases. People come in, and my goal is to file a claim petition online before the people leave so they get some action and the cases get moving very quickly, because time is money to these. If you're injured on comp and they're not paying you, how do you pay your bills? So these people are in a really tough spot. So we really aggressively go after these companies for our people. And I think you have to do it that way.
Those that get injured on the job and want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And by the way, there's no fee for consultation with us. So pick up the phone, call us, and we could tell you very quickly whether you have a claim and then what we're going to be able to do for you moving forward to process your claim and to get you paid. And that's the most important thing.
And the worst you'll tell someone is they don't have anything, and there's no cost to them.
We can't help you. That's correct.
All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night, guys.
Thanks.
Take care.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.